Hello guys, Nightcrusher here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this picture right here at the top left corner. So yeah, I saw that video from Adventure Gaming HQ. Now I'll show you some tricks, and yeah, I forgot to get a carpet. A little forgot. So right now I got a carpet. So yeah. All of in my inventory, you need those. So it's only 9. Yeah. So first you make, top or tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5. There we go. Then we need the hopper. 1, 2, 3. Only 3. Then let's put 2 right here, and right here. Now we're done. Now let's put the mechanics, guys. Put a comparator, followed by a repeater, then a redstone. Then let's do right here, like that. Then again with some comparator and some redstone, turn this on, and some redstone again, and put it right here. Then place a block, redstone torch, and you need to do this, guys. I promise you will need this, because it will go up and spit out an item and goes to a hopper and it repeats. So it will be unlimited. Yeah. Now let's get put some blocks right here. So we go. And yeah, like that, guys. Then let's do again another one. 1, 2, 3. So these were 1, 2, 3. So this is where I put a dropper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last one, 5. Do I put it? No. Again. No. Last one. Oh. No. Wait. Aha! Yeah! Okay guys, now we put the dropper on the top. Why is the dropper mouth just look like a hopper? Yeah, never mind, and let's put some hopper. Let's do what we do at this side. Put some hopper right here, right there, and right here, like that. Don't put at the top, like that. Then let's put a redstone comparator, or again a repeater, then some redstone. Like that, and a redstone comparator again, and mostly on, and like that, and let's put it beside it, and let's put it again what we do at that side, the different side right here. Then some redstone torch, and let's put some blocks. Okay, let's go up and put the redstone torch right here. Yeah, now we're finished building it, so now we design it. So we're gonna put some carpet. I'm not going to put carpets right here, guys, because we're gonna block them. I'm gonna put some blocks here. We will see later after we finish these ones. So let's put some carpets. And we are now done. Now let's put blocks. That sheep just ate loads of grass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop, sheep. Stop. Okay, stop. Okay. Now let's put some blocks. And right here. Don't worry guys, the item is split out through the blocks here. Also guys, this is a tip. I mean, it's a snatch proof. I think that was tasty. Because you can't get the item because it's split too fast, and you can't get the item because the hopper gets it. Yeah. Now let us block this one, and we're gonna almost done this guys in any second. So let's put a rooftop and some blocks right here, and there we go guys. Now for the last guys, put some items at the very bottom of the dispenser. Oh no, not the dispenser, dropper. I'm gonna put some clay. Wait. There we go. Then it will, this thing will split out at this hopper, and this hopper was connected to the other, so this will be repeated like that. So guys, you can't get this clay even you are at the dropper. See, I didn't get even one thing. So also guys, don't put too much item right there because hopper can only get 5 items. I'm gonna show you. See, only 5 items. And let's put the second one guys, and so that will split to the other side if I'm right. Yep. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps for map makers. And yeah, I'm gonna call this the fountain of clay or victory. Yeah. Thanks to Adventure Gaming HQ. This video will be the link down below, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and also check me out on Twitter. Oh, what's happening here? Oh. Also guys, block at the top. There we go. And block over here. Yeah. Sorry guys, because I didn't know that. And yeah. So I think we're now ready fixed. Let's put all the items. And some carpet. There we go. So let's see if it works. Yeah. So it doesn't have any items on the roof. Yeah. Sorry for that guys. I have a mistake. Yeah. Again, check me out on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Also, Adventures Gaming video of this will be linked down below. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.